Reliable, efficient, flexible. Introducing the latest in condensing unit technology, the new Copeland Scroll FFAP condensing unit. Reliable. Ranging from 1.5 to 5 horsepower, the new FFAP condensing unit features two critical components for reliability. The first, patented Copeland Scroll technology. The Copeland Scroll compression process uses 70% fewer moving parts than standard reciprocating compressors. That's why the Scroll compressor is 1/3 to 1/2 the weight, it's quieter, and it's more reliable. The Copeland Scroll compressor also achieves better liquid handling. Axial and radial compliance allow the Scroll members to separate in the presence of liquid refrigerant, thus providing protection against liquid damage. The second reliability feature is the electronic unit controller. The electronic unit controller allows for quick and easy setup of unit pressure settings, with improved set point accuracy compared to old mechanical controls. The electronic unit controller is also enabled with troubleshooting diagnostics, providing key information for faster servicing and fewer callbacks. Efficient. The new Copeland Scroll FFAP condensing units are up to 15% more efficient than standard reciprocating condensing units. Scroll compressors perform especially well at lower condensing temperatures, which occur frequently, even in warmer weather cities. What does all this mean? If you were spending $1,300 a year on energy, how about an extra $200 in your pocket? Keep your business in fast motion and your power meter in slow motion. Flexible. The Copeland Scroll FFAP condensing unit is usable with a wide range of refrigerants, including R404A, R134A, R407C, and R22. The FFAP has a large operating envelope, ranging from -30 degrees to +45 degrees evap temperature, so it can be used in a wide variety of applications, ranging from frozen foods to floral. Reliable, efficient, flexible. The new Copeland Scroll FFAP condensing unit. To find out more, visit the condensing unit product section at emersonclimate.com.